Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your crypto wallet balance. To begin, open your chosen digital wallet application or connect your hardware device. Once inside, navigate to the section displaying your various cryptocurrency holdings. You will then see the current balance for each asset, typically shown in both the cryptocurrency's native unit and its equivalent fiat value, providing a clear overview of your funds. The most common way to check your balance is directly through your wallet's interface. Whether it is a mobile app, desktop program, or a hardware wallet, simply open it and log in using your secure credentials. Once authenticated, you will typically find a dashboard or assets tab that lists all your cryptocurrencies and their respective balances, often updated in real time for accurate information. Another reliable method involves using a blockchain explorer. First, locate your wallet's public address, which is safe to share. Then, go to a trusted blockchain explorer website specific to your cryptocurrency, like Etherscan for Ethereum or BSC Scan for Binance Smart Chain. Paste your public address into the search bar, and the explorer will display all transactions associated with that address, including your current balance, offering full transparency. When checking your balance, always prioritize security. Double-check the URL of any blockchain explorer or web wallet to avoid phishing scams. Remember, your private keys and seed phrase are the sole access to your funds. Never share them. Keeping your wallet software updated ensures you benefit from the latest security patches and features, protecting your assets from potential vulnerabilities and maintaining peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.